Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming cheats or operator rights so commands will run. This matters because entity NBT and summons require permission. Once done, create a simple scoreboard or tag to track the raid wave. You'll use it to control behavior. Now open chat and paste a minimal summon template for an Illager captain or raid event, replacing placeholders like ~~~ and UUID as needed. You're initiating the sequence. Keep the world in creative or have backups to avoid accidental damage. You now build the summon that creates a raid trigger. For example, summon a pillager captain with bad omen by tagging or applying the effect so villagers detect it. Then use /execute at the village center to run the summon and set the bad omen effect on a player. That's how Minecraft decides to start a raid. To manage waves and timing, link commands with a repeating command block or a function file so spawns and checks run in sequence and maintain consistent behavior. You finish by running a full test. Trigger the sequence, watch spawn waves, confirm villagers convert or villagers' beds are detected. If the raid fails, make sure difficulty isn't peaceful and that the village detection radius contains beds and claimed villagers. Otherwise, raids won't start. If things go wrong, stop the sequence, remove spawn mobs, and tweak NBT or timing in your function /command blocks. Then repeat until consistent. Remember to save a backup before major changes so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.